Welcome to Stan's Adventure. Today I'm going to try to unbox my new phone one-handed. I'm not real sure how this is going to work, but we'll give it a try. This is a Google Fi phone. It is a Pixel 3 XL. Quite a change from my iPhones I've had in the past, so we'll see how this works. I'm going to cut myself. I can see this now. Not working very good. We will cut it open and get right back to the video. Okay, so now we got it sliced. Yeah, I see why people have trouble doing these things. I've never tried this before, so it's kind of definitely different for me. Ordered it on Sunday, received it today, Wednesday. That's pretty quick. Standard FedEx ground, I think. There is the phone, Google Pixel 3 XL. Packing, more packing. You're invited to the SIM-free life, Google Fi, and how to get it working instantly. So let's see how to get this out of the box. A nice little statue from David Lucas. Pixel 3 XL. Team Pixel. And we will shut the video off again for a second while I slice and dice. Actually, the tape had little pull tabs on it. After I got through slicing it, I found them. So let's open this puppy up. And it comes like lots of phones do now. Just kind of in a nice little box. Looks like a standard phone, about the same size as my iPhone 6 Plus. Similar box. Looks like a packet of instructions. Earbuds. Everybody needs earbuds. Charger. Actually, this uses a USB charger as opposed to the iPhone's proprietary charger. Comes with a little dill so I can set it up to use 3mm plugs and a way to transfer from one phone to the other. And the plug-in wall charger. This also has wireless charging, so eventually I'm sure I'll get a stand for that. So that was the unboxing of the Pixel 3 XL. Let me power it up and we'll give one more little quick shot before I fade away. And now that I know where the power button is, I'm going to be majorly dangerous. So anyway, looks like it's starting up fine, which is a good sign. And I'm quite excited to try something different. Talk to you later. This has been Stan's Adventure. Please like, share, comment, and subscribe. Thank you. And I'm impressed. That set up real easy. It transferred everything over from my iPhone and just shut itself off. And I can't do that without turning it over to do the fingerprint thing, but that's okay. Not a big deal. Worked real easy. Transferred my contract, tax, transferred my picture, my screensaver. Overall, really impressed. And to transfer it from an iPhone to an Android, really cool. Thank you, Google and Pixel. We'll do an update in about a week. Talk to you later. Please like, subscribe, comment, and share.